Let me introduce. What is this? Recreational Mathematics Kits. This is a 3-in-1 hands-on mathematics kit. You can play with your parents, teachers, siblings, friends, or anyone. It is also a learn through play kit. You learn mathematics via games. It is joyful, fun, and interesting. It helps to improve your confidence level, your creativity skills, and problem-solving skills. Background and problem statements of this recreational mathematics kit. Students learn mathematics in a variety of ways, and it is recommended that teachers and parents use as a hands-on activity to encourage students' interest towards science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, which is STEM subjects. In most of the schools in Malaysia, the number of students pursuing science subject is less than 40% compared to art students. At the tertiary level, a study also showed that the percentage of credits produced by university is only 32.4% of the target, which is the target is 60%, and this is reported by Utusan Malaysia News in 2009. There are two main objectives. The first one is we want to promote primary and secondary school students' interest towards the subject, and we want to strengthen their computational and creative thinking skills. This kit helps teachers and parents in order to make the teaching and learning process more happening and fun. And for your information, this kit has been used at Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Sungai Buloh, Kuala Selangor in 2018, National Science Day in 2018 at Daman Mall, Subang, Kuala Lumpur Engineering Science Festival also in 2018, UNICEF STEM Day 2018, Program Mentor Mentee Master 2019 with SMK Rantau Panjang and SMK Tiram Jaya also in 2019, and both school is in Kuala Selangor. And also at Science and Mathematics Day, Sekolah Kebangsaan Dasar Kuala Lumpur. Throughout all these programs, there are findings about our recreational mathematics kit. The data was collected into two parts, before the program started and after the program ends. Okay, before the program started, we asked the student about the awareness on the importance of mathematics in daily routine. Only 25% of them know and aware about the importance of mathematics in daily routine and application in daily life. But after they played, after the mentors have explained to them, they go through the games, and they are increasing to 51% of them aware on the importance of mathematics in their daily routine.